Welcome. My name is Dr. Mayuri Dani. Let's see some paribhashas.
Let's see the definition of bhavna. यच्चूर्णितस्य धात्वादि द्रव्यैः सम्पेष्य शोषणं भावनां तन्मतं विघ्नेर्भावना च निगद्यते. यच्चूर्णितस्य धात्वादि, that means dhatu churna or aushadhi churna is taken in a khalva yantra, and dravaihi sampesha shoshanam, a liquid media is added till it soaks the dhatu bhasma, that is dhatu churna or any aushadhi churna, and bhavna tanmatam, and bhavna is given to that dhatu bhasma or aushadhi churna. This whole process is known as bhavna. Vidnir bhavna cha nigadyate. In this process, a khalva yantra is taken, a dhatu bhasma or aushadhi churna is taken in a khalva yantra, and a liquid media. This liquid media can be swaras, quat, heme, quanta, grut, tel, anything which is prescribed by rasacharyas is taken in a sufficient quantity which only soaks the dhatu bhasma or aushadhi churna, and titration process is done in a khalva yantra, and till it's get dried up, this whole process is known as bhavna. It is given to make medicinal preparations or to take a shodhan process.
Hingur, that is cinnabar, is taken in a khalva yantra. And triturated into fine powder. Then nimbusaurus, that is lime juice, is added in a quantity which only soaks the hingur churna and triturated again till it dries up. If this process is repeated 7 times, it removes doshas from hingur, which is also known as shodhan kriya. Let's see shodhan kriya in detail.
शोधन. The definition of शोधन is उद्दिष्टेर औषधि सा अर्ध क्रियते पेशनादिकं मलविच्छेत्ते यत्तु शोधनं तदिदोच्यते. This process is done on rasadravas to remove any kind of doshas, mal, blemishes or impurities from them, and to further use them for medicinal purposes. These rasadravas can be of animal origin, plant origin, herbs, metals, non-metals, minerals, etc. Peshnadi kriyas are done on these rasadravyas with the help of Uddishtir Aushadhi, that is, a specified drug which is supposed to be removing any impurities from these rasadravyas as already instructed by rasacharyas. These dravyas are taken, and Peshnadi kriyas, that can be of Swedan, Mardan, Utthapan, Avap, Nirvap, Dhalan, etc. These processes are done on rasadravyas, and Malavichite Yattu, that is, mal is removed, doshas are removed from this rasadravyas, and this whole process is known as shodhan. Let's see an example of shodhan.
Milk is taken in a vessel and covered with a cloth. On the other side, grit is taken in a ladle and melted. Ashuddha Gandhak is added and heated till it melts, that is up to 65 degrees Celsius. This melted Gandhak is poured on the cloth. As you can see, there are some impurities collected on the cloth. And melted sulfur, which is filtered through the cloth, is collected in the vessel below. This process is repeated 7 times to obtain Shuddha Gandhak. In this Shodhan Kriya, some impurities like Vishadosh of Gandhak get dissolved in the milk and grit. Other impurities like stone, soil is collected on the cloth.
Let's see मूर्छना. अवश्याय व्याधिघातकत्वश्च मूर्छना. व्याधिघातकता रोगापनयन सामर्थ्यम च मूर्छना और मूर्छित्वा हरति रुजा. This means अवश्याय व्याधिघातकत्वश्च मूर्छना, which definitely cures the disease or kills the disease, that is मूर्छना. व्याधिघातकता रोगापनयन सामर्थ्यम च मूर्छना. व्याधिघातकता means which kills the disease or cures the disease is known as मूर्छना. और मूर्छित्वाम हरति रुजा, which is मूर्छित, the drug which is मूर्छित will cure the pain, is known as मूर्छना. In other words, in मूर्छना, Parad is processed with various herbs and drugs, and a definitely property of curing the disease is achieved in Parad, and different medicinal preparations are prepared. This whole process is known as Murchana. From Parad, a raw Parad, a definite product is achieved, is prepared, which will cure the disease. This whole process is known as Murchana. Okay. Let's see an example of Murchana.
In a khalva yantra, khatika means chalk is taken and triturated into fine powder. Then Shuddha Parat, that is purified mercury, is added. And triturated until Parat completely mixed with Khatika Churna. It is triturated till lusterless and grey powder is formed. Here, as you can see, Parad has completely lost its physical form, such as liquid state and luster. This form of Parad is also known as Murchit Avastha, which makes it more potent for curing disease. Let's see one more example. In the left side picture, you can see Shuddha Parad and Shuddha Gandhak. In the middle picture, Shuddha Parad and Shuddha Gandhak is taken in a Khalva Yantra and triturated for many hours. As you can see in right side picture, it is triturated till it becomes lusterless. This lusterless and black colored powder is known as Kajali. Kajali is also known as Parad's first Murchana. Thank you.